What are commodity derivatives? How are they traded? Meet Ashwin. Ashwin has been trading in equity and now wants to explore other trading options. Ashwin found the option of commodity derivatives on the angel broking website. When he started reading about it, he learned that these derivatives are traded in a separate commodity market. Indian commodities are primarily traded in four exchanges: MCX and NCDEX, NSE and BSE. Commodities traded under MCX are classified into agri and non-agri commodities. Non-agri commodities can be classified into precious metals, base metals, energy sources such as natural gas and crude oil, and agricultural products such as pepper, jeera, turmeric, crude palm oil. SEBI regulates the commodities derivative trading in India. Ashwin now smartly searches about the factors that affect the commodities market: demand and supply, global economic situation, currency, geopolitical tensions, market sentiments, investment funds, weather dynamics, and seasonal cycles are the major factors that affect the market. Commodities market is a new opportunity for Ashwin to make some good investments, and he is now ready to trade them with Angel Broking. Contact SB Enquiry at angelbroking.com. Phone number 022 2822 0114.